Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel where we are exploring exciting opportunities and share valuable insights for those seeking a new beginning. Today we are shining a spotlight on a small town that is eagerly welcoming immigrants. Join us as we uncover the unique advantages, supportive community, and promising prospects that await those considering this town as their new home. So you can apply from your home country or country of residence as long as you have a legal status there. So let's talk about this town a little bit and then we're gonna move to the requirements, steps, and how to apply. 𝐬𝐨𝐬 is a small little town located in west central Alberta, Canada, and it's located in Yellowhead County, 192 kilometers west of Edmonton, which is the capital of Alberta. Which means you need to drive at least 2 hours west of Edmonton to get there. Speaking of the population, it's around 9,000 up to 10,000 people living in this town. Generally speaking, the temperature in Alberta is a bit colder than Ontario. And when it comes to this town, today the temperature in 𝐬𝐸 around 19 Celsius and in Toronto around 25 Celsius. And regarding the video's location, we filmed this video in different locations in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And let's take a quick look on the official website of this town and see the job posting board. As you can see, they're looking for automotive technician. We can click here and try to apply, but of course you need to have a Canadian resume, a Canadian format resume, prepared well, organized, and up to date. And as you can see, Pizza House and more, they're looking for cook, food counter attendant. They're hiring for 2 positions. You can also try to submit your application if you have a little bit of experience. Moving to the next opportunity, which is Subway sandwiches. As you know, Subway is really well-known brand and it's all over the place. And everywhere, wherever you go, you can find Subway. This is a good opportunity as well. Moving to the next one, which is A&W, which is a Canadian fast food chain. And they're hiring as well. As you can see, food service supervisor hiring for 2 positions. And another one, food counter attendant, hiring for 2 positions. Also, the library double read book nook, they are hiring for 2 positions. As you can see, cashier hiring for 2 positions. You can also prepare your resume in a Canadian format and share it with them. Also, this list will be updated bi-weekly or sometimes once per month. So if you didn't find an opportunity right now, probably you can come back later. They're gonna post new jobs or new opportunities. If you still can't find any opportunities, you can just try to use the website that we're gonna leave in the description box or in the first comment. You can look for an opportunity in this town and then reach out to us. If you're still struggling and it's still difficult to find a job opportunity, you can reach out to us for a free full assessment, and probably you may eligible to other immigration programs or other options based on your skills, background, education, and country of residence. And of course, if you have IELTS, if you have TAF, the French test, and then we can take it from there step by step and see if you're eligible for other ways or other immigration pathways. So let's talk now about the other steps. I advise you and encourage you to prepare your resume first. Make sure you have a valid passport. You have a valid status where you currently reside. Let's say you're in Dubai, in Qatar, and you have a work permit. Should be valid, and your passport should be valid as well. And once you find a job opportunity in this town, and then you can reach out to us to work on the next steps. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to simplify all the process, all what I want from you guys to try to apply, prepare your resume. If you heard from your potential employer, that's a good sign. Schedule for interview, and after getting the approval, you can move forward. For now, do not worry about any certifications, do not worry about any language skills. Just apply, try to apply and get the opportunity. Even if you don't have a bank account, you still can apply, and once you have a good opportunity, we can work on the next steps. And that's about it. All I wanted to provide a short and informative video. If you have any questions, you can send us an email, leave a comment in a comment section, or send us a message on WhatsApp, or even visit our official website. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.